Demonstration of the grant money meter that I recently got brought back to operation. Pennies. $0.10. Sometimes the bells are not working properly because I have a weak power supply. And this is what you do if you hate your bus driver. There are also some tokens that you can put in, like such as this. And let's see if I can just put a mass of coins in at once. Another thing that may happen with this Farebox is you get coins of too large of a size, like a modern $1 coin. There is a way to clear them using the scavenge door. That just dumps it past the registering wheel and into the vaults below. Demonstration of the non-stock manual operation of the different sounds. Flip the switch to put back to regular operation. Emptying the vault at the end of a shift. Insert the key to unlock the door. And there is a second key to open up the door to get all the change back. If you try to put this back in the bus without resetting it, you can't open the vault. So you have to reset inside to unlock this vault, which will spring back if you do this. Then you can put it back in. Pardon my fumble fingers. Ready for the next day. Watch out for this thing on the number 730 Centennial bus, otherwise known as the Transit Museum Society Rolling Museum.